Haidly-daidly-do. We're on Workbook page 4. Let's do the Workbook page together. Hello. Hello. Okay. We're going to listen and number. Listen and write a number. For example, red, green, black, yellow. But which number goes where? I don't know yet. Let's listen together and see. Are you ready?
Listen and number. 1.
Red.
Okay. 1. Red. All right, so I'm going to look for red. Red? No, that's blue. Red? No. Gray? Red? No. Orange? Red? No. Green? Red? No. Yellow? Red? Yes. Red. 因为 red 是 1, 所以我们写一个 1 吧. Okay. Number 2. Listen.
2.
Yellow.
自己写.
3.
White.
4.
Pink.
5.
Orange.
6.
Blue.
7.
Purple.
8.
Green.
9.
Black.
10.
Grey.
Okay. How did you do? 如果你需要的话，你可以反复再听一遍。如果没有，那我给你答案。Here are the answers. Yellow, 2. White, 3. Pink, 4. Orange, 5. Blue, 6. Purple, 7. Green, 8. Black, 9. And 10, and gray, 10. Now let's color them. All right, my pen is what color? What color is this pen? It's pink, so I'm going to color this one pink. Let's color them all. Yellow. How about black? How about white? What in the world? White, where are you? Oh, there you are. How about green? I'm going to have a little bit of fun. I'm going to draw a green smiley face. Yee, I'm happy. Purple. I'm going to draw a sad purple face. Ah, da, da, dee. Oh, da, da, do, da. Orange. I will draw a orange. This is an orange. Oranges are yummy. Gray. I'm going to draw a gray elephant. And blue. What is blue? I'm going to draw a blue AJ. Blue AJ. Beep boo. AJ is like not happy, not sad. He's okay. I am okay. 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 Let's go to number 2. Answer and draw. What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? I am AJ. How old are you? I am 10. I'm 10. Oh, Jenny says, I'm Jenny. I'm 6. 我是 Jenny. 我是 6 的. Okay. Now I will draw me. Let's see, what do I look like? I look like a super cool dude. Got some hair. Got some eyes. Got a nose. I've got awesome teeth. Got some really cool teeth. And I'm gonna be going like this. Oh yeah. And got a butt. Oh, my butt. I got a moo. Got some shoes. Oh yeah. Those are my hands. Wow, I look a little bit scary. Okay, that's AJ. I'm 10. I'm AJ. Let's go over here. Listen and circle the number. Hold on, let me move myself really quick. Okay. Listen, circle the number.
1. Listen and circle the number. 1.
Bah. I'm Shelley. I'm 4.
I'm Shelley. I'm 4.
2.
Meow. I'm Cameron. I'm 3.
3.
I'm Rocky. I'm 2.
4.
I'm Harry. I'm 8.
5.
I'm Henrietta. I'm 5.
6.
I'm Gracie. I'm 10.
Wow, Gracie is big. Okay, 如果你需要的话，你可以反复听一遍，要不然我现在给你答案。I am 3. The cat is 3. I'm 2. The chicken is 2. I'm 8. The horse is 8. I'm 5. The hen is 5. 其实 hen 也是一个 chicken. Hen 是一个 girl chicken. 还有 rooster is a boy chicken. Rooster, hen. And I am a goat. I'm 10. Who is the biggest? Who is the oldest? Yeah, it's the goat. The goat is the oldest. 他很老. I'm 10. Who is the littlest baby? Yeah, it's the rooster. 'Cause he's 2. Okay, let's do the next activity. Write the words. This should be easy. So, 3, 怎么写? T-H-R-E-E. That's pretty easy. You do it. Stop the video. Do it yourself. 暂停这个视频，自己做，然后你过来，我就告诉你答案。7. Oops. Whoa, that's big. 7. 9. 2. 1. 4. 8. This one's a little bit weird. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 为什么? 5. 10. And 6. Okay. We are done for the day. Congratulations. I hope you had fun, because I did. And I will see you next time. Thanks.